Very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter. Okay, it is the class 6 mathematics algebraic expression. Before learning it, we discuss about something in previous classes. So we know in arithmetic we use 10 symbols, that is 1 2 3 4. We start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These symbols are used in arithmetic. Okay, 10 symbols are used to write any numbers, and also some operations that are used, suppose that for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication and division. 4 symbols are used, that is arithmetic symbols, and using this we solve any questions. Okay, for writing any number we use these 10 numbers. And now if we take any formula that is called, if suppose that the perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side, 4 into one side. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. If we denote perimeter equal to P and side equal to S, 4 into S, so it becomes a formula, that is called formula. Okay, so P equal to 4 into S. P stands for perimeter, S stands for side. So if we put different values of the S, if suppose that S equal to 2, then P equal to 4. 2 into 4, 4 into 2, that is 8. 2 centimeter, then that is 8 centimeter. P equal to 8 centimeter. If S equal to 3 centimeter, then P equal to 4 into 3, 12 centimeter. It means P and S represents a number. What? P and S also represents a number. P here 12. If S equal to 3, then P equal to 12. So P and S also represent a number, that is called literal numbers. What is? I read this one. P and S represents a number that is called literal number. Okay, so now when we write any formula with the use of number and a little number, that is called algebra. What is called? Algebra. In algebra we use numeral and literal numbers. Some literal numbers, these are called algebra. In algebra we use literal numbers, some that is letters A, B, C, or whatever given X, Y, Z. Okay, so now we learn something more about that. In this chapter we will learn how how will you add or how will you subtract any numbers with the unknown numbers. Suppose that for addition there will be there is taken if you have to take plus symbol when the given number is more. Suppose that a number is more than 5, then we have to take plus, okay, or added return. So if added is written, so we have to take the plus symbol, okay. Increase the return also we have to take plus symbol. Or now just opposite, subtraction. In subtraction we have to take minus symbol when just opposite, less. If less is written, less than, so we have to take minus symbol, okay. Added or subtracted return or decrease return, that case we will take minus. Or for multiplication, if that is written product written, on that case we use multiply symbol. Or times written, in that case also we take multiplication symbol, okay. And at last for division we use, if written that is by or divided written, on that case we have to take, suppose that x is divided by y, on that case we have to take x by y. X is divided by y, on that situation we will write x by y, not this type x divided y, not this type. We have to write in by form, okay. I hope you got it. Now we solve some examples. Now I have taken some example of exercise 8a. Write the following using literals, numbers and signs. Okay. So literal, what is the literal? Literal is x, y, z. Or in literal you have to use x, y, z or ABC. Or numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever given. And the sign, you know, how many times? Plus or minus, multiplication symbol or division symbol. And here for that division you have to write in by form, x by y. This form you have to write here. So now start writing. First number I have taken x increased by 12. It means x increase means what? Plus, and that is 12. X plus 12, that is answer. Okay. Now fourth number, the product of x and y. The product of x and y. X into y added to their sum. Added to their sum. It is added to their sum. Sum is x plus y. The product of x and y is added to their sum. Added means plus and their sum. Sum means also plus. X plus y. This is. Okay. And also you can remove that one. Sometimes you will look at x, y plus y. This way also you can write. Now 8th number question. X taken away from 4. Taken away. It means from 4 we have take away means minus. From 4 we have to taken away x. 4 minus x. That is the answer. I hope you got it. These types of questions contains literal value, literals, x, y, z, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. and sign plus minus or multiplication. This, and also in your book given a lot of examples, you can do yourself. Now I solve the next one. Now I have taken some more examples of first number. The quotient of x by y is multiplied by y. The quotient of x by 8 is multiplied by y. It means x by 8. Okay, x by 8 you have to multiply it by y. This is the algebraic expression. X plus y, x by means division symbol or by symbol, x by 8 into multiplied means into and by y. Okay, this is the answer. This way you can write. Now third number question, write the following in exponential form. Exponential form, b into b into b into b 15 times. It means b and you have to write 15 as a power. This way, b to the power 15. Okay, same you have to write. This is the answer. Same here, count 3 into z into z into z into y into x. So first write 3 and z. How many z? 1, 2, 3. So give the power 3. 3 we not say 3. Z to the power cubed. Okay, z cubed. It is read z cubed. And y. Y 1 to 2 we write 2 and we read as y squared. 3 z cubed y squared. Okay, and one is left, x. At last write the x. 3 z cubed y squared x. Very easy. How many times given? You have to write in the power form. Okay, this is called any number if written a to the power something 10. Okay, so we say a, that is called base, and that power is called exponents. What is exponent? Exponents. Okay, so which are written in the power form, that is called exponential form. Okay, so in this exercise only intro is given. In other exercise we will do something more. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now I see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.